This is our office here in the 26th floor. Here's the entrance or the front desk. And we have 20 workstations with tables and chairs. This is the filing room for accounting staff, and we have a manager's room here. This is the executive office. Exit on this side. You can also convert this for another workstation. And this is the pantry. This is a dry pantry. I think I missed out the another manager's room around here. On the far end, we have the IT room or the server room. You can also convert this for another office, and this is our conference room with